Big Man versus Elegant Cyber.
Hoy, first fight na tayo. Let's na tayo. First fight, first fight.
Black Spiral 22. Charlie. May foul. Number 8. Substitution ref. Paki 7 out. Diwan Pacanzo.
Balik ang pasa. Wala tinatawag ng fly sa labas ang bola. Kapit, pumasok. Pumasok. Anyone! Yan ang mga ginawa ng mga mataas ang idea. Boss foul rep. Number 4.
Rebound number 8 to Black. To Lex. To number 8. Oh, ganda ng pasa. Oy! 53. 2 points.
Alright, Mr. Reyes, naulog na natin ang bola. Kasi hindi mo na bola, pinasa kay Saspa. Saspa to the corner man. Pinasa sa gitna. One yes, move from number 55. No, Bartolome. Kinalong ang ring. One good support from number 50. 2 points from number 50. Alright, Mr. Premana, controlling the move. Looking for an opportunity. Pasa kay Randel. Candelario. Take the shoot. What a flash move from Candelario. That shoot is close to you. 20 years. And there's a foul of number 44. Saspa. What a big roll from number 16. Saspa again. Anong posisyon? Kahit natulog. Oh, anong posisyon? 6 points.
You number 9. 2 points. You.
Yan ang paborito ni Arjor. Bumawi na si Arjor. Bubuka na. Alright, Mr. Bartolomito Saspa. So, Lea, pwede lang si Bartolomena si Bartolome. Bang! 3 points from number 24.
You number 9. Chris Balada again. And basket. 2
Randel.
points.
Ganda na mga pasan, Triangle Lopez. What a best shot from number 24. Tugutog. Saspa to Cardona. Back to Bartolome again. Bang! What a best shot from Mr. Bartolome. That shoot is brought to you by Elegant Cyber. Iba talaga ang tingin mata. Let's go, Master Andor! Bang! And there's your foul. Rebound number 16. Saspa behind the back. And the second here. Tayo na looking for an opening grade with the ball. Pasa kay Rantel. Pasa kay Freeman. And the half for 3. Saspa. Di makatulog. Gumising. Umikot.
Bartolome.
Bartolome. Freeman. Jump shot. 2 points. Yung Cobra. Ito din. The basket. Why yung pasa? Number 78, Mr. Aljor. 2 points. Converted by 2 points. Less than 1 minute in second quarter. Alright now, Mr. Cardona. Cardona will land to the middleman, back to land, taking the shot. Aljor, out pass to Candelario, feeding in the hoop. 2 points from number 44. Ten seconds to shoot, boys. Bartolome, isintan, bang, bumalik. 3 points for Mr. Bartolome.
Ball tayo. It's a black ball.
Saspa, exhibition, and 1.
Kabila, dito. Here, the other side.
Ganda ng pasa. Mr. Aljor.
The five.
Kasi Aljor. Saspa.
Okay, come on.
Pinatapang ang bola.
Let's
2
go,
points
let's
from
go.
number
It's
33.
getting late, boys. We're behind 5 minutes. Nalo.
Number 93, tumira ng Trekaw. Prak. Pinasang 44. Hindi ka shoot. 2 points from number 44. Alright, number 11, Alok Ivanov. What a turn-up shot from number 11. That is the second time.
Number 9.
Alright, now Mr. Freeman controlling the ball. Tumira ng 3. Bang! Parang sinukat.
Pass to number 8. Number 8, 5 for the 3. Nothing.
Substitution.
Next. You, number 9. Stewart, 25. Beat man.
Gaspa.
25.
2 points from number.
Pass to 25. We got you. You number 9. You
The ball, 2 points from number 15.
Basket's good from you.
Alright, Mr. Freeman now controlling the ball. Walking Ivanov. Guarded by number 11. Over-attacking. Using the Pinoy step. 2 points.
Baba. Hey.
Wala, short rebound. Mr. Freeman. Aljor.
You again.
And the perimeter shot. 2 points from Mr. Aljor. 1 point from number 9.
I think 13. So next number 2.
Freeman now, Mr. Freeman. Pasa kay Candelario. And the skyrocket. 2 points from Aljor. Wala. Saspa na controlling the ball. Pasa kay Lance. Layup. Using the board. The pass number 15. Jerry. Landel. Taking the 3 shot. Man! 3 points. From Aljor for 2. Time's up.
My foul. Number 8. Bradway.
2 points from Saspa. Candelario. What a good pass from Candelario to Mr. Jerry. 2 points for Mr. Jerry. Alright now, controlling the ball, Mr. Reyes. Hinahirapan ni Reyes si Reyes. Let's go, Trey! Bang! 2. Mr. Freeman. What a goal from Mr. Freeman. game prepared, Sinulid versus Carayo. 1 point, 2 points from Mr. Carayo. Saspa! Saspa nagmamadali! Hoy! There's a foul in the ground. Penalty situation. Penalty na po tayo, penalty. Penalty na po tayo. Listen. A minute in the last quarter.
Penalty daw! Penalty! Substitution ref!
Basket good. From Mr. Saspa.
2 shots! Sub!
Second attempt. Bang! All right. Jeremy na controlling the ball. Tinatawid ang bola.
Okay! Tanguy! Kanin!
Mr. Freeman. Candelario. Candelario na controlling the ball. Contact by that. And there's a foul.
Yes! You! Escalada!
Wala pa tayo sa penalty. Wala pa tayo sa penalty.
Black ball! Barbara!
Yes, 14 seconds, 14 seconds.
Oras! Time! Huwag kang patulog yan!
To Alger now. Taking the responsibility. Ay! Tumamasa ang bola accidentally. Bumalik ang bola sa inyo. Now, we are down to 30 seconds. Saspa now controlling the ball guarded by Mr. Jerry Papa. Hey, nakapit ang bola. Napunta kay Jerry. Jerry! And a hoop! Double to Mr. Jerry.
Wala!
Masiba na controlling the ball guarded by the two white. Pasa kay Saspa. Saspa tumira. Wala.
Last touch block! White ball!
We still have 8 points.
Pasok! Sub!